Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack on Usezinzomeyiwa's proceedings today, how they started. Uramusipile, remember I've always said go to Umuntu Peace. You remember when they put Urata at Mngomezulu's funeral, he was like, hi guys, this is like almost our leader, like our father in a way. How can you put him? Obviously, and other people that were there at the funeral, they were like, hey, please, what try a shame means that. Now today he was the same person, but he's for peace. I've always said though. So he's just like, I know my lord is all our conduct as lawyers, as black lawyers, just in a right, we need to there's a certain way. But you know what's crazy about that? Even so, we use Room Africa team lawyers under scrutiny. But I've never heard you saying Brigadier King under scrutiny of anything, but he's a liar. There is lying. The whole of South Africa know this guy is actually lying through his teeth. But it's just like whatever, he can do it in Johnny. How? And then you must always listen to him. And no one was trashing him. He trashes people back. That person. But then we must always be listened to. And do Uratam entertain. I'm just like, wow. Like, honestly. And Dura Musipele, you can just tell he's just creating peace. He's just like, oh, look, like I was even gonna solve Senzomeyiwa's case. I'm just like, Guys, the LPC is behind him Mnisi ngokuthi uMnisi uthe ene-dump in court. But they don't see anything wrong with that. And then Gapa Judge Rasa guys took almost 20 minutes. Nah, busy. You know why? Also, it's because if lentolo ibishiwo Brigadier Kininda or Rubalo bebezo igijim. Kala uMnisi wage wa cancela actually he didn't cancel it, he had paid. He just didn't go to the Two Oceans Marathon. Now he wants to go to another marathon, he can't. Because nango uJudge Rasa uthi ngeke wake wabona phona umuntu engibhalela. But Ubalo did agree ukuthi it's fine ukuthi uthole your text through the registrar. I mean, that's how we do it. We can speak to the judge directly. This is how it must work. So now, what must happen? And then Bambuza no was just like, can I just keep to myself and be silent and not say anything? But no, Just want to go back to LPC. Their interview with TV, with News in Africa, where you're just talking about that whole thing. Omnisi had said dump. So one guy was explaining who works for LPC. No, dump really is not sarcastic and it's not necessarily an insulting word. So I understand why kuliwa, but I mean at the same time in court there's a certain way of final choose conduct and a certain way you must speak. You can't just now but there's nothing wrong with that. So, and again, guys, the thing you're rata. There's a call again. Oguti urata fanele susu. Because he's insulting ama lawyers amnyama. Ngifuna ukuyibeka ngesiZulu leyo nto leyo. And then he's insulting abantu abamnyama futhi eSouth Africa. Ngoba ubani umuntu okhuluma njengorata guys? Ngomaziyo wena. Ezobe khuluma kanje uJudge Rata they at court. Things like so abantu abamnyama benza izinto engekho right, abantu abamnyama. And then abelungu baphosite ngathi. Ngoba thina nje abantu abamnyama we vandalize places like asikho right. Siyayithanda lento show right. Asiyithandi guys. Please guys comment down. Because baqale phansi futhi even Black Lawyers Association is also angry again. They've always like complained about Urata guys nje comes off as like nice as good conductor in courts like umuntu onjalo. So there's a lot around it. So I just wanted to touch base kancane lapha kuyile into LPC and LPC backing up uMnisi, but nabo bayasho ukuthi i-conduct and how you speak, I mean it's important vele guys, so that you get respect, because you can't do vele ukhulume noma kanjani. But I just feel ukuthi uMnisi has just been on point. mina with uBrigadier Gininda angazi he hasn't really been hard on him. This is why ngibike ukuthi on the video before this one ukuthi it's just petty. This guy, he's petty, and ilabantu laba who are just so used to not to be told who they are, so he can't believe it. People can actually see right through him. No, actually, bro, you are lying. So it's just like, oh my gosh, bangibona. And bangitshela who I am and ngifra because they telling me without my consent. So mina into nje kaBrigadier Gininda, guys, is just a lot, and I just feel like uyayekwa and he's been doing whatever he wants to do. Even the whole thing of him trying to speak in courts after Gushu, we are adjourning now. We're done for the day. Then I was like, my lord, there's some things that didn't sit well with me. I don't like him. But guys, we go through that every time with him. I don't like how Mnis is speaking to me. We've gone through that how many times now? Because we don't like how Mnis is speaking to you. Hey, guys, we can't be doing one thing. Justice for sense of me, not people's egos and powers. And then I was still talking about Uratsagi going on. I just feel I'm going to use the word trashing because he was actually trashing Mnis and making him feel some type of way as I'm embarrassed just because he called on Brigadier Gininda. Are you in Mogola's mind when uzositshela ukuthi umhula ngabe wayicabanga kanjani? That's not ethical what you are doing. So Uratha was like, nami uMnisi ngizomthola. And then manje usemngena ngalento lokuthi uMnisi is going to Comrades Marathon, and then usefuna ukumngena ngalokho ukuthi you're going to Comrades Marathon. I've never heard of such. JP is not going to allow it. In fact, actually, you can stay at home Motanda on Monday. Mina ngizoza ke. Guys, there was no need for that. This is why I even said, isn't this kanje they could have spoken about them in chambers even. Ukuthi uMnisi manje wena masuyogijima imarathon. What's up with that? Because siyasemsebenzini la. Uzosebenza nini? Ubona? He went on just to say ukuthi nje yazi uMnisi angazi ngizwe mina leyo nto. And then you'll quote so many people. There's two judges, uJudge Mba, now you sports person. Angithi nayo Uratha idlala ibhola at some stage. And then so now uJudge Mba naye Mosi but ngena block he didn't even explain why is the mentioning the guy. He mentioned another footy judge ukuthi nje naye, so you mean to tell me izoma ke icourt ke we going to wait for uMnisi ke who says, and he's not even telling me, he's telling the registrar ukuthi yena he's not gonna come to court on Monday the 9th actually, because he's going to be running on the 8th on Sunday and then he's driving back on Monday. UMnisi, ukuthi benigini ekhanda the whole time. He was just like, this guy, I'm just not gonna answer him. And uMnisi never said the word. But I qhubekela nokusebenza. And you know that stunt that Judge Uratha Mokgotleng was trying to pull of embarrassing Umnisi. Umnisi didn't care. He stood up and then he continued. Because I think for Umnisi, guys, let's get it right. Umnisi, for him, it's more like Lalela Mina. I just want justice for accused number 1. I want justice for accused number 3. Plus the Miwazi. I don't care about Uratha. I actually don't care about Brigadier Gininda. There's where Umnisi yesterday he said, I don't care. He said, I counted, I don't care about baby 3. It's not important. There's some things that are not important. And like I'm saying now, guys, sometimes we concentrate on things that are so crappy to a point where how are they helping this case? Like Brigadier's emotions and feelings. At this point, we don't care. Unamanga. Just stop lying. You understand? And freeing abantu zihambe zingemakhaya, especially untanzi. Ngiyababona ke laba abanye like I said ukuthi yebo ke nabo mhlambe banobugulukudu babo bayinkulukudu of skebengozi of kabilizers banezinye into zabo, but they didn't delete senzomeyo ukubona leyo nto leyo. They did not, and they have nothing to do with you. Wabasukela just because ubona ukuthi banamanye ama cases wafaka okwakho wa-eda into enga exist ezingekho, especially for accused number 3. wathi igane yakhe wambona engena kaMakhumalo edubula uSenzomoya akazuzombona. But the people who were in the house, they are the ones that must tell us. Edubaloyi akafuni labo bantu beze lapho. When you mention Kelly's name, it's like, aye, why? Njalo Ubaloyi, he becomes another person when you start to mention Kelly's name. Actually, must come to court. In fact, uMakhumalo must come to court. Uzenzile Khumalo very simple ngomnamanga, waqamba amanga nje from the word go. You guys, you don't know what you've done to my family. Go to Sissy, please. You don't do those things in court. Please stop. In the dog, you come on and say, Inina. Those people never did anything to your family, guys. Lababanda means it next to the Khumalos. All 5 of them, for that matter. Guys, I was still telling you guys in Dabagam Ramosipile ukuthi ikharakter Ramosipile umuntu owazi ukuzehlisa nokwazi ukuxolisa uxolisile wathi including advocate Mnisi nathi yaxolisa nako Brigadier Kininda but umuntu peace. Let's just get that right, guys. Like at the end of the day, he's that person who's like, you know what? I don't want any fights. Like I was still saying, Ugamela Judge Rata and Judge Rata was like, I appreciate that when attorney Sipho Ramusipile, I appreciate that information was niggas. I own was to Zobanigaz Amanyama case out that happened in case at any where we should cross and Konungizwan at court and behaviors as abandoned emotions. Hey, abantu they couldn't tolerate each other in court. So I would just make copies and get those cases that talks about that because she actually brought those cases to court. Attorney Sipho Ramusipile. After all the embarrassment, abecabanga ukuthi uRatha ke advocate Thatha means he's gonna be embarrassed. We took another direction. At some stage, Ubaloyi naye uBrigadier beginning the busy nama photos, those photos, and then advocate was like, hey, and then this witness, Mr. This witness, guys. This witness manje useyifundela into zakhe answer izinto engakazi ngizimbuze zona what's going on now and the state is inside phakathi. Hey can you please explain my lord mhlambe mina ngina problem la. Kanti Ubaloyi is starting again with into zakhe of adding new evidence without telling anybody. Mese it's umsholo it's ambush my lord beno advocate ulate Umngomezu. What's this witness is busy answering his own things. I don't know anything now about these photos. I'm just like, Ubaloyi wenzani guys? Qalile ushedi Ubaloyi. Oh nangu umuntu manje stuttering ubhudi lo uyangingiza Ubaloyi manje bese mbuza uRatha uthi hayibo bra like inenzani wona nokinindani ibhizinisi into uthi no Brigadier is actually allowed to take out photos to try and explain into afuna explain but ucela and what are you even doing? Uyatry to explain to akhona ngingiza ngoba baqalile yena no Brigadier Kininda. Anyways, advocate Mnisi's argument is that Brigadier Kininda umention kanjani indaba of pointing out izinto when he was not involved, but manje just because lead investigator manje sayafakaza izinto when he was not there. This guy guys Brigadier Kininda kudura sakaze sebiza uBrigadier Kininda ngo-Mr. Investigator ethi izinto noGwabeni noZunguzi ahambelana na Mr. Investigator. Futhi guys